Research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include traction control, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, MP3. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.